So I should buy one of those.
Fucking GoPro?
Yeah, it's a GoPro. We're gonna go drifting after. That's why I brought the GoPro. Bro, you need an M4? Yeah. M3, M3, M3. Damn, bro.
Should I buy one?
Yeah, you should. Bro. Oh shit. CVR, bro. Was this the one I saw? Nah, I met it. Is this your bike?
I stumped it.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
600?
No, 1,000. But if you get 1,000, I'll get 1,000. If you get one, I'll get one.
So I should buy one of those. That's what I should do. I have a 600. Are you gonna get a 600? Damn, bro. That's good, bro.
Hey, it has a rear air purifier system in it too.
Oh,
I wrote about that.
This is a Crown, right?
Yeah. This is
Bro.
it's a Majesta.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
Windows and rolled
bro.
That's beautiful.
Dude. Welcome back to 1995, bro. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
GVR 1000? I should do that. Dude, I am fucking comfortable back here. Leave my C4. Dude, what? That's so dope. Dude, I fuck with the carbon on that. That looks good. I should get a carbon wing on my car.
Yeah,
It's like 600 bucks.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
I like the shape so much.
Huh?
I like shape so much.
Is this 1JZ?
Yeah.
2J?
Yeah.
No way.
GE?
Yeah, 2JZ.
Okay.
The BBTI head. So the original one actually blew up in it, so I got this one out of an IS300.
Oh, okay.
Like a big turbo.
I
Okay.
swapped it in my driveway.
It's the money shot. Dopest car here. Turn signal, of course. Oh, never mind. Bro, should I buy one? Should I buy an E92?
Yeah.
Yeah? The whip? Like... arches. LS?
No.
You have one. Bro, that front end looks good.
I have exact same bumper.
It's a good looking bumper. Bro. Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Oh jeez.
Show him the turbo.
Bro.
I don't think that's a full go back.
Oh fuck, my car looks so dope. This is my competition. Dude. I need one. I need one. I just have this right now.